If you're looking to monitor social mentions from one platform, you're in the right place. This 3-minute tutorial will show you how to do it quickly and easily. I'll walk you through a simple solution that works efficiently, saving you time while keeping track of all the important conversations on your chosen social platform. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you a free trial that will let you follow along with this tutorial and take your monitoring to the next level. The first step is selecting a tool or software that lets you keep an eye on social mentions. Now, there are a ton of options out there, but after trying the most popular ones, I found that this software really stands out for its simplicity and accuracy. The key here is to pick a platform that can narrow its focus to just one social network. This way, you get only relevant mentions without any clutter from other platforms. Once you've signed up for the software, go ahead and connect your account to the social platform you want to monitor. This is usually just a matter of authorizing access, and the software will pull the necessary data. In the case of monitoring social mentions, you'll want to set up a keyword or hashtag filter. For example, if you're tracking mentions of your brand, simply input your brand name, relevant hashtags, or any other keywords that are important to your business. After you've set up your filters, the next step is customizing how often you want to receive updates. Some tools allow you to get notifications in real time, while others can send you daily or weekly summaries. I recommend setting up real-time notifications so that you can instantly act on important mentions when they happen. You can also adjust the software settings to monitor only specific types of posts or mentions, like those with high engagement or from verified users. This can help you zero in on the most valuable interactions, which will be crucial for handling PR or customer service issues promptly. Now that you've got the software set up and your mentions being tracked, the next step is to monitor and analyze. Most tools will display a dashboard where you can view your mentions and sort them by date, engagement, or other criteria. This is where you can start engaging with mentions or responding to comments, which can help boost your visibility and reputation. One of the most powerful features is sentiment analysis. This will let you know if the mentions are positive, negative, or neutral, giving you a clearer understanding of your brand's online perception. It's a great way to stay ahead of any potential PR issues or leverage positive feedback. At this point, you should have a well-rounded approach to monitoring social mentions from one platform. As a quick revision, here's what you need to do. 1. Select the right software to monitor mentions from a single platform. 2. Connect your account and set up keyword filters. 3. Customize notification settings for real-time or summarized updates. 4. Monitor and analyze mentions, including sentiment analysis. Before I close off, don't forget about the exclusive free trial available in the description below. This will let you follow along with the software I just showed you, so you can start monitoring your mentions right away. Key takeaway: to successfully monitor social mentions from one platform, you need the right software that allows keyword filtering, real-time updates, and sentiment analysis. Keep your process streamlined by focusing only on what's relevant to your brand. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take advantage of that free trial.